Hi guys, in this video I am going to start one project which will be helpful for us to understand the concepts whatever we learn before this class, whatever the concept we learned in HTML, CSS, we are going to apply that concepts in this project. First I have taken one simple HTML page with head, title, online bus services. I'm going to implement some online bus services web page, which will be helpful for us to book tickets in online. Okay, we can see some of the websites which will be available for us to book our tickets in online. Okay, right? I'm going to take that example and I'm going to implement those web pages in this program. I'm not going to implement all the services and whatever we have booking services or transfer online payment. All those things are not able to done with this HTML and CSS. We want React and JavaScript also to implement all those things. First of all, I'm going to take some web pages. I'm going to create some web pages and I'm going to implement some CSS properties to those web pages. First, I have taken one HTML program. In this, I'm going to wait. See how I'm going to create this web page. I will tell you. First of all, I'm going to take one section. In this section, I'm going to take some headings like interlinks, hyperlinks to take these hyperlinks to other web pages. Okay. First, I'm going to implement home. After services. After that, I'm going to take some what cancel cancel tickets. And next one, book tickets. Okay, in this way I'm going to take one header and I'm going to implement this. And next one I'm going to take one image. I'm going to divide this web page into two parts and I'm going to insert one image. After that I'm going to take some text in this division. uh, I will going to take some text like welcome to online services. In this way I'm going to implement, and later I'm going to take one folder, one footer. In this footer, uh, at last I'm going to take one contact contact details like contact number and email ID. Like this, I'm going to create one web page. After that, I'm going to take whenever we want, we click this home page, home button or home link. We are going to redirect to some other web page where we can see some details in that page. Okay, whenever we click these services, we are going to see whatever the services we have, or when we click this cancel button, whatever the tickets we cancel, we are going to display those tickets in this web page. Next booked, whatever the tickets we have booked, it's going to display in this web page. uh, this is the overview of this project. Okay, now I'm going to implement all these things. First of all, see, here we have one header section, right? For this header section, I'm going to take one division. Uh, to divide the web page, we are going to use division in HTML, right? I'm going to implement those that only. I have taken one division, and in this division, I want this home, services, cancelled and booked, right? Here I am going to use unordered list. To implement this unordered list, we are going to use this UL tag and LI tag, right? In this LI tag, we have to write the names. Okay. Home, services, cancel, and book. Okay. Okay, now I am going to implement this one. See, here we got four list elements, right? Home, services, cancelled and book. For this, I told before only, we are going to take hyperlinks for this text. For what we when we click this text, we have to redirect to another page. For this redirection, we are going to use anchor tag, right? In HTML. In HTML, we are going to use anchor tag for this redirection, hyperlink, right? So I'm going to give this hyperlink for this list elements. Yes. For anchor tags, I before on in the previous video I have mentioned that in hyper tag in anchor tag we have to mention what in to which page we have to redirect. We have to mention that page in H-reference, right? H-reference. If we have that page, or if we have another image or whatever it is, we have to mention in this H-reference. if we don't have any reference, we are going to use this h reference as hash with hash symbol. To get this hyperlink, we definitely want to give this h reference, right? See, we got hyperlinks for this text. Next, I'm going to give some style CSS properties to this list elements. Okay, by using internal CSS. In internal CSS, we are going to use style tag in our HTML page, right? To give this properties to these list elements, we have to consider one class, right? In how many ways we can give style to these elements, or with whatever elements we want? In how many ways we can give? I told no. There are 5 ways we can give, right? By using class name, by using tag names, or ID selectors, or group selectors. We have group selectors also. I will implement those group selectors in this program, and also universal selector. What is universal selector? Universal selector means we are going to use star symbol. It is going to implement that CSS properties to the whole web page, right? So I'm going to use this here, class selector. Class selector. I am going to give class name as header. To implement this class selector, we have to use dot class name, flower braces open. After that, I'm going to give background color to this division. Whatever the color we want, we can give. See, for this header division only, it is taken some color, right? Next, in this class, header class, I want to display these list elements side by side. Okay, for this I am giving in this header class another list. After that, list elements, I'm going to select in this header tag another list elements. For this list elements, we have to give some properties. Okay, list elements display flex. To display elements side by side, we are going to use display flex. For this UL, we are going to give display is equal to flex. See, the text is text gets side by side. Okay. Next, I'm going to give some margin. we want to give this margin to this list elements, right? So I have selected in ULLI margin left 200 pixel. This margin or padding or anything we can give by using pixels or percentage. I will tell what is the advantage when we use percentage in this video. Okay, see, we got some left margin, right? Left margin 200 pixel. We can use this 200 pixel. Now when I have zoomed this I have zoomed in this web page, we can't see all the four these headings, right? Okay, now I'm going to give this margin as percentage. See, you can see these four headings. If we zoom in also, we can see these four headings. It is device friendly. If we open this web page in our phone also, we can get same text or whatever we have print. Okay, earlier we have used pixels, right? If we use that pixels and we open that page in our mobile, it won't get four headings, and it will display only some of the headings. That's why we are using this percentage for margin or width or height, whatever parameters we want. We are using percentage for those parameters. Next, I want I don't want these list indicators, another list indicator. That's why I'm going to take list style. None. See, it's gone. And I want to remove that these underlines also. So I have selected anchor tag, text decoration, none. See, the underlines also removed. Now it's perfect, right? Header is perfect. Now I want to take one division. In that division, I want to divide these division into two divisions, right? One image and next one text. For that, I am going to take one division. In that division, I want image, right? For image, we are going to use source src. In that src, we have to uh, write image name dot extension, right? I have downloaded that image in this same folder, so it's enough to give this image name. If we have this image in another folder, we have to give path to that image. Okay, here we have image in same folder. That's why I'm giving only name main.png. Yes. See, we got that image. Okay. See, we got that image. Next one. After this, I want some text, right? This text I want in this web page, right? So by using this h3, welcome to online service. I have given some text to this. See, we got a text also, but we want to display this image and text side by side, right? For this, we before only I told if we want to display some text or images or anything side by side, we want display as flex, right? So for this, I'm going to give one class name main division. Okay, next by using this class name, I'm going to give some CSS property. Main division display as flex. See, we got this image and this text side by side, but we want to adjust this image and this text half of the page, right? So I'm going to main division. I'm going to take that tag name where we have this image in this division only, right? uh, by using this class name, I took that division and later tag name image. Here I am going to give width as 50%. As I mentioned before, if we use this 50%, it is device friendly. We can get, see, it's going to increase. If we zoom in also, we always get 50% image only. Width as 50%. If we zoom out also, we get only 50%, right? Next, I'm going to give some CSS properties to this text. I want to print this text middle of this division. Okay. Now, by using this division, main division and h3 tag, color, I'm giving brown. See, text becomes brown color. And next, margin 10%. I'm giving margin as 10%. See, we got text in middle, right? Okay, I'm going to give 15%. See, we got text in middle, right? I want background color to this division. Now where I want to give this background color, in this division only, right? A main division. So I'm going to this main division, and here background color. Background color I'm going to give here this color. See, we got a background color as some, it's look like some biscuit color. Next, I want to give some footer. I mentioned in this, right? In footer, in some division, I'm going to give footer. In that, I want to add some contact details. So, for the division, for that I have taken some division, and in that H2 contact some number and email at the rate yes. Now I am going to implement this. See, here we got contact and email address. Yes, for this I am going to implement some CSS properties. To implement some CSS properties, we want some class name to this division footer, right? By using this footer class, first I want to give some background color to this footer. Okay, footer division. So I have selected this footer division and background color. Okay. See, we got a background color. And next, I want to okay, in this I want text at the right side. So I have given text alignment end. To take H4 because it is so big. See, we got some web page. I have created some web page, right? In this web page, whenever I click this home but link, it want to redirect to some other web page where we want to have this header and footer. In between, we can content we can add some other information. Okay, so I'm going to take some another web page, home home, right? Home dot html. See, now I have created home.html. In this home.html also, okay, we want same header and footer, right? So I'm going to take header properties. Next, footer properties. Okay, I have created one web page and I have added header properties and footer properties. In between, we can add another information also. I'm going to add that image only, whatever the image which we use before. Okay. Now, what was our task means? When we click this home link, we have to open this HTML home web page, right? So in this H reference, I'm going to give this home home web page address. We have this HTML page in same folder. That's why I'm giving only home.html. If we have this HTML page in some other web page or folder, we want to get that address. We want to take that path and we have to insert that path in this home page, right? See, we got some page, and when we click that web page, we got this, right? We didn't add CSS properties to this footer page. See here. Page we didn't add properties to this CSS footer. That's why it's didn't taken. Now I'm going to add CSS properties to this footer. See, we got, right? I like this similar way. I'm going to take another HTML page and going to add services and also cancelled page, and I'm going to add this in this cancelled web page. How many web pages we want, and we can add those uh, in this anchor tag, right? uh, why we are using this anchor tag? To get a hyperlink, right? When we click this text or image, we want to get some other web page. That web page is going to insert in this H reference. Okay. In this way, we are going to add or insert some HTML elements or some other tags, and we are going to implement these CSS properties to this HTML elements. I hope you understood this simple project. This is not useful to keep in a resume or to use in some other drives or something. It's useful to understand the concepts whatever we learned in before videos and all. I took this project to make you feel understandable before concepts. That's why I have taken this project and implemented. I hope you understood. That's all about this project. Thank you.